In a world full of challenges, we handle what others can't.
Bulk solids handling is our strength.
We design systems that move material efficiently.
Precision is our drive and solution.
Innovative thinking drives our solutions.
Teamwork is what makes everything possible.
We meet the highest industry standard every time. From pneumatic conveying to material storage, we deliver.
Our engineers make bulk handling smarter and safer.
We are proud to be problem solver in bulk material handling.
To all engineers at Indpro, Happy Engineers Day.
Happy Engineers Day!